Go.
Yes.
Yeah, go on.
Uh, is it a class consists of students and teachers? Some friends are painting. You do it manually. Uh, uh, in this class,
Okay.
there is you guys are talking about. In this class, there is uh, uh, TV, uh, uh, clock,
Okay.
math, alphabet, numbers, chair, table, paper, brush,
Papers. Papers.
oh, papers, brush, glove, clock, glove, 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 board,
A board.
uh,
Uh,
a
uh,
board,
okay. What
soap,
else?
uh, soap, shop,
Soap. Soap.
shop, show, show, um, a, a door, a
A
door,
door. Okay. Wait, let me ask you a question. Where are they again? Where are they again, Wei Feng? They are in the,
in the class,
where are, in the class. How many students are there? How many children are there?
nine, nine students,
There are 9 students. How many teachers are there?
number one, and one,
Only
one teacher,
one. A one teacher. Where is the TV now? Where is the television?
and one,
Where is it? Where? Where is the television? The TV is
TV is, uh, a door, TV
on
is
on the
on the door,
what do you call this? This one. On the what's this? What's
on,
this?
on, on,
Is that a door or the wall? The TV is
on the
on
door,
the wall.
door,
Next
wall,
next to the door. Okay.
then,
All right. What do you call this again?
number,
Numbers. Say numbers.
number, three
Okay.
numbers,
What about these?
alphabet,
Alphabet. Okay. What is this boy doing?
painting,
Not painting, paint. Painting.
yeah,
This boy is painting.
this boy is painting.
Okay. All right. What is this boy doing?
Uh, manually,
Pasting papers. Can you say pasting?
pasting
Pasting
paper,
papers. Okay. What about this boy? Okay, it's okay. What about this boy?
cut,
Cutting.
cut,
Can you say the boy is
cut,
cutting
cutting paper.
papers? How many chairs do you see in this picture? How many chairs are there, Wei Feng? How many chairs are there?
Yes, so there.
Now, how many chairs? Chairs.
One, six,
6 chairs. 2, 4, 6 chairs. What about tables? How many tables are there?
four, four table.
4 tables. Are you sure there are 4 tables? 1, 2,
2, 3,
3.
4.
Counter table. That's counter table, yeah? But what about this? What's this?
So, um, um,
Soap.
shop,
Soap. Soap. A hand
shop,
soap. Washing. For washing
washing, washing
our
the hand.
hands. Okay. Thank you so much for this one.